Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word incompetence. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The project was delayed and ultimately failed due to the team's incompetence in managing their responsibilities. Incompetence refers to a lack of skill, ability, or qualification that results in failure to perform tasks or duties effectively and efficiently. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.